So here I've made a hummus with cauliflower. It's a transitional type of hummus in that it has, right now it has tahini in it, and it has lime juice, a little bit of water, and then a clove of garlic. And again, transition food. I might have some on my face. It comes out nice and creamy, and if you want to see me eat it, cheers. It was so refreshing. If you needed more tahini, I could work with sunflower, with sesame seeds. It would make it even more creamy. It's pretty close to hummus. Some spinach shreds with mushroom, an iceberg lettuce, avocado, and it's going to be some lime juice too.